Gigi and this is my mama.
Hello guys, so today we are baking some walnut cakes.
Of course.
We are baking some walnut cake because Gigi has been asking from so many days.
Of course.
Mama please make some cake. So today we are...
She never made it. That's why.
We'll make it today. Fine. Are you happy?
Yes.
So let's make the walnut cake. Let's start it.
Let's start baking.
We are not using any sugars. We are just
no
using...
sugar.
Yeah, no sugar.
Healthy.
Yes, healthy one. So let's make it.
I know how to make an icing bag.
We will make the icing bag after some time because we are supposed to make the simple cake right now. Okay, fine. Now let's get started, okay?
Yeah. Let's get baking.
So the ingredients we need are dates. How many dates do we want?
We want some 5 dates.
No, then we need 200 grams of dates and some butter.
Some butter.
Wheat.
Wheat.
We are making this cake with the wheat.
Start it. Let's get baking. Silly.
This much is enough, I guess.
This much is enough.
I have got 200 grams of dates. You can just chop it if you want the bits of it. Gigi don't like the bits of it, so I'm gonna blend it. Let's blend it.
Yes.
Best.
Let's blend it.
Giselle, you help us, mama.
Ole.
Just take the seeds out, okay? All the
Okay.
seeds out. Then after that we will blend it.
Okay.
So
My hands are sticky. I need
yes.
to wash my hands.
Okay, fine. Wash your hands. So we are done with the cutting, and now I will blend it.
Oof. That's a good idea.
About what?
About chopping and put it in a blender.
Yeah. After that, I'm adding a half cup of milk in it. Let's see.
Let's see.
And
the
also
water.
add some water
Cake might be hot if we put hot water and hot milk.
because we have to blend it very nicely. You don't like the chunks, right?
Yes. Mom can do whatever she wants. Her life, her life.
Now the blending is done, but the light is gone now.
Yes. I couldn't see you guys.
We need brown sugar. 1 spoon of brown sugar. Have to add 2 eggs. I have put some butter also. Now whisk it very nicely. 1 cup of flour. Okay, I forgot to tell you about the baking powder. I have already mixed the baking powder with the flour. Add your date. And while she is mixing the batter, I will just get the walnut chunks. I think this much is enough.
I love to whisk. That's why I'm whisking a little ball.
My sweet daughter who helps me a lot. Right?
Yes. I love to help you cook it. It's done and it's so nice. You know what? I love to whisk because it's fun.
Actually, guys, the light is gone. So we are waiting for the light.
Until then, we are making some of the work.
Done.
Right?
Yes.
Get to me a little. is a bite.
Tabas diktano pakulo. Diktano. So it's done. It's finally done now. It's ready to go inside the oven. Let's put it inside the oven. So the cake is in the oven and I have
Not
put it.
oven.
Oh my god. Cake is in the oven. Keep it for like 35 minutes.
What?
Just wait for 35 minutes. Okay? It's ready.
Oh my god.
The cake is ready.
Goodness. Can I taste one? It is
Some chai and yeah, come Gigi. How's it?
Yummy.
Yummy. Delicious?
I love your work.
Thank you. So bye guys.
Bye guys. It's the end.
It's the end and the cake is delicious. Let us enjoy the cake. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.
Bye.